You're looking for a pair of hearing aids with 7 hours of runtime, 6 hours of music time, and 1 hour of fast charging time? These hearing aids may be something that you are interested in. What we're going to do is show you what these hearing aids are about and go through the application and show you how to set up. In order to listen to music, simply open up the hearing aid, pull out, place on your ear, open up an application, any application you like, and press and listen. And it plays directly in the earpiece, whatever station you are listening to. From the provider, Viva Hear, the store, is a app-driven optional hearing aid with 3 noise cancellations, 16 types of equalizers that fits in your ear, glasses or not, that you can wear anywhere around. What we're going to show you is what comes in the box. It's quick charging and more. These are lightweight hearing aids. As we open up the box, they come in silver, oval shape, size of the hand smaller. Opening up to the bottom of the box, we have the instruction guide in the multiple languages folded and the charging cable short. There are USB-C appliance that plugs into the bottom of the hearing aid. An optional brick or power bank can be used for charging. It lights up with an orange-red LED light. Allowed to charge, quick charging. Opening up the unit, you have your hearing aids, a glossy black and silver glass-like look. Give you a close-up shot, what the hearing aid looks like when the light hits it. They're flexible silicone cables that springs back in memory. To charge the hearing aid, match up, place in, right for right, left for left. When charging the hearing aid, you cannot put in the left and the right spot as its magnet. They lock into place. How to place the hearing aid in the ear? They rest over here in the earlobe and clip around the ear like so. That is how the hearing aid fits. When pulling the hearing aid out of the case, they automatically turn on. Again, they simply slip over the lobe and on, like so. A close-up look at the hearing aid. Viva Hear application. Open up, connect the Bluetooth, add device, open up the case, allow the white light to flash. Sure, in the Bluetooth, hit Viva Hear, connect it, close down, and open up the application Viva Hear again. Viva Hear, connect. We are now connected to the left and the right hearing aid, and we have an adjustment. On the app main screen, we have here's 5 dB, a plus and a negative, and we have here is a fitting, and to do a hearing test, a fine tuning for outdoor, indoor, music hall, and audio custom, and a report. We have on the upper right in orange a cog gear about your ear. What we're going to do is go to the fitting, put on the hearing aid per ear, and start the hearing test. Access your microphone, environment checking. Enter hearing test. Please choose the left ear to start until you say you hear it, and continue the test. When the left ear complete, proceed to the right ear. Back out and proceed to the fine tuning for outdoor use, indoor use, musical, and audio custom by adjusting the bass, mid-range, and treble for outdoor, indoor, and music areas. That is the application. To use the hearing aid, simply grab the hearing aid. The unit automatically turns on. The front has a short press for increasing the sound levels, a long press to manually turn off, and a long press to manually turn on. On the inside of the hearing aid, silver on silver would be a big letter R, as you can see, telling you for the right ear. As we have the hearing aid on and testing, as you hit the you can hear the beeps shutting off by a long press and then turning on by a long press. You have a countdown tone and a up tone. And that's how the hearing aids work. Simply put them in the air and off you go. So if you're looking for a pair of hearing aids that adjust to the sound levels, these hearing aids may be something that you are looking for. There's a TV in the background, and I can hear it through. There's a TV sound in the background, and it's coming through the hearing aids. Check online for further details about your hearing aids. These are clip-on around the ear in the open, as you can see again how they are for seniors, kids of all ages, and more. These are hearing aids, application driven. Shut the app down when not needed. Enjoy your hearing aids if these are right for you.